Welcome. Today we're going to be going right without solving the equation, write down alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So let's go ahead and do that. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a. So alpha plus beta is going to be minus 3 over a, which is 4. All right, and so alpha plus beta is 3 over 4. That's writing down alpha beta. Alpha plus beta. Next we need is alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to c over a, and so alpha beta is equal to 1 over 4. That's alpha beta. Nice. Now the next part of the question says, find the values of alpha square plus beta square. So let's work out that. Alpha square plus beta square. Now alpha square plus beta square, there's a simple formula to work this out. It's equal to alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta all square is equal to alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. Nice and easy. So all you have to do now is put in what is alpha plus beta. We know alpha plus beta is 3/4. So put in a calculator 3/4 square minus 2 times alpha beta, which is minus 2 times 1/4. And then you're good. That's going to give you the value for alpha square plus beta square. So work that out. That is 3/4 square minus 2 times 1/4. That's going to be 1 over 16. So that's alpha square plus beta square. Next, part 3. Part 3 says, obtain a quadratic equation whose roots are 2 over alpha square and 2 over beta square. So to obtain a quadratic equation of 2 over alpha square plus 2 over beta square. So if you want a new quadratic equation, we know that a quadratic equation is always written in the form x squared minus the sum of the roots times x plus the product of the roots, that's equal to 0. So first we need to find is the sum of the roots. The sum of the roots would be 2 over alpha squared plus 2 over beta squared. Now, whenever you have two fractions and their denominators are the same, what do? You find the LCM. We'll go back to primary school. The LCM is going to be alpha square beta square. Now, alpha square into alpha square beta square leave beta square. So this is going to work out to be 2 beta square plus beta square into alpha square beta square leave alpha square. So this is 2 beta square alpha square. So this works out to be 2 times alpha square plus beta square. That's how we get the sum. This works out to be 2 times alpha square plus beta square, and it is of course being divided by alpha square beta square is alpha beta all square. Alpha beta all square. Nice and easy. But we just find out what is alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square will work out to be 1 over 16. So this is 2 times 1 over 16. 2 times 1 over 16. And of course, it is being divided by alpha beta all square. and alpha beta all square. Alpha beta is 1 over 4, so it is being divided by 1 over 4 square. So you put this in a calculator and you work it out. What are we getting? 2 times 1 over 16 is 1 over 8, and 1 over 8 is divided by a quarter square. This works out to be 2. So the sum of these two works out to be 2. Next we need to find is the product. All right. Let's split it here and find the product. So the product P is going to work out to be 2 over alpha square times 2 over beta square. That's how we get the product of the two roots. 2 over alpha square times 2 over beta square. Now when you're multiplying two fractions, you multiply across their numerator. 2 times 2 is 4. Now alpha square times beta square is alpha beta all square. This is alpha beta all square. All right, and so the product works out to be alpha beta all square. Remember, alpha beta all square. Alpha beta is a quarter, so it works out to be 4 divided by a quarter square. You put that in a calculator. Well, you don't have to. You can work it out in your head, but just put it in a calculator. So 4 divided by a quarter square, and you get 64. So you get 64. That's the product. So what are we saying then? We are then saying that the quadratic equation, so I'm going to write the new quadratic equation, the new QE is given by x squared minus the sum of the roots, which is minus 2x plus the product of the roots plus 64, and that is equal to 0. So this is how you would find, or this is how you would work out that. Nice and easy, soft.